What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. This your boy Anthony here, back with another video. And today we are going to fix another item that your boy has been neglected lately, man. So you already know, before I neglected the oil change. I did the oil change. Now it's time to do the rear diff on this car, man. I got the car up on all fours. Doing the rear diff is apparently easy, believe it or not. So shout out to this YouTube channel. Follow my line, man. I'm going to actually follow his steps, step by step, on how to install and replace the rear diff fluid on here. I'm not going to give you guys an install video. Again, this is just me documenting, saying that I did this, so I can come back to it for future reference and things of that nature. You guys seeing me do this, man, because this is the most I've ever done, man, on this car so far. So we got the jack stands up in here. We all good. The rear diff is right there. I don't know, can y'all see it? I'm gonna zoom in, but the rear diff is right there. The drain plug is right here, and the fill plug is on the other side. And ew, what in the hell is that? I don't know what that is. I want to say like this right here, some type of epoxy. It's dried up on there from the exhaust, but I can't find it nowhere. That's weird. And I just took this in not too long ago. Special thing that I'm not going to say in this video, y'all see it in my next video. But yeah, so if you guys curious about doing the rear diff fluid, this is the drain plug right here. The fill plug is right there. Oh my gosh. Rear diff smell like shit, man. Ugh. When it starts dripping back out, that's when she's good. And like that is gonna wrap this video up, man. Another garage project in the books, man. So we have officially replaced the rear diff fluid, man. I'm just letting you guys know, just if you guys decide to do this yourself, this oil smells, man, like it smells really bad. But I'm glad that we got it done. I got it done. And now it's time to go out and take this car for a drive, see how the rear end feels. And I feel like I'm all set. I'm 2 weeks away from tracking this car at the National Corvette Museum, man. And I'll be at Camaro Fest, because that's where I'm doing it at. That's from July 7th through the 10th. So if you guys go, be sure to reach out to me, walk up to me, man. Let's conversate, man. Let's have a good conversation, man, because I'm a Camaro enthusiast and a car enthusiast, and I like to meet more like-minded people, man. So like that's gonna wrap this video up. Be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.